Hi, I'm AJ. That's a video camera. This is a vlog. You're a viewer, and this is gonna suck really bad. Hey, I wasn't smelling. No, I wasn't smelling a sock. Weird. As you probably just noticed, I have the hiccups, but I'm gonna try to do this anyways. So on December third, on December 30th, I said I was gonna do a question and answer vlog, and then I started having technical problems, and then I just started being lazy, so I ended up not doing it. But I, I decided now I'm going to do it. So the first question is, Ariana Noren wants to know why a raven instead of writing desk. I don't know. If the Mad Hatter does not know, then I surely do not know. Seeing it is his, that is, Brandon Reed asks, if you have 17 kittens and you take away 14, how many kittens do you have left? Well, see, that's a dumb question, so I'm not gonna answer it. Paris Burleson wants to know why we can't have nice things. And that's an easy question, because everyone likes to break stuff. Kyle wants to know herp dirt. My response to that is dirt dar. Nicole Flynn wants to know why round pizzas come in square boxes. That's because a round box would be kind of hard to make. It would end up having one flat side. So, yeah, it'd be really kind of hard to make. And it's square box is easier to store in your fridge. Connor McLaughlin wants to know, why do I like 80s hair metal? I don't know. I just kind of like it. Taylor Holman wants to know, my favorite Christmas song is. I don't have a favorite Christmas song. She also wants to know why I like to eat orange peels. And because I think they taste good. And she wants to know my favorite nursery rhyme is. And I don't have one of those either, so yeah. I don't know. I hate having hiccups. I really do. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say, so that's what I have to say. I have to say hiccup, yeah. Yeah, bye.